Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and I'm going to do a quick recap for today. I had a fabulous day today. I had three trades, all green, and I want to quickly walk you through my trading patterns and some of the strategies I want to share. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get all the great notifications of all the new videos we are going to upload as well. And also I wanted to share uh, that I'm scheduling an interview with one of the successful trader. So see the below description for more details about the interview. And now let's get back to the trade. So first trade I had in the RKT. RKT was the gapping down is almost more than 17, 18%. And what I noticed here on the opening range breakout is typical gap and go strategy. It moved back up green, came down. The moment it came down, I basically shot it at 1260 with almost 15 cent stop loss. Moved back in the first partial on the low of the pre-market, and then I continued and it took some partials out. And very nice strategy. This is very important for that gap and go is to in the opening range it has to be a first green candle and then some downward trend. So other trade I had, and let me just walk you through. This is very nice trade I had is Airbnb. It was in a daily. It was really weak. It was wanting to gap down, and if I show you the daily, you will notice here that it was clearly coming down as bringing all the support down. So now what I the way I have played is the 1 minute and 5 minute chart. So let me just give you some hints here, and then you will see that how I've played. All right, so here you go. So what I did basically, I was waiting for stock to give me some kind of a momentum for the downward trend. So it came down, made a bear flag, and moved back up. The moment it moved back up, I realized it's consolidating underneath of the low of the previous candle and giving some kind of a channel here. So I went short on this uh, line, and I'm expecting to come down because a lot of the time it's already bounced back and the market was coming down. So I have a bet on the market support. So I shot it here with almost a $1 stop loss, came down. I didn't do anything. It bounced back, touched on my entry again, and then started consolidating. The moment consolidating, I added into my position, and then I took the first partial out. And this was a big partial out because I was not sure whether it's going to continue or not. And then when it came back and started consolidating, I took some of the partial out. I didn't wait for this leg down again, but I wish I would have done, because if you see this candle is just freaked me out. This candle, it felt to me that there's some kind of a support here, but I think I was mistaken. Anyway, the next one, the after the two short trade, I had a one long trade. Yesterday, I had a fabulous day. If you have not checked out the recap of the PTON trade, you should go and check. It was a wonderful trade I had, and I wanted to show you again today. So today, the PTON was gapping down, but if you look at the 1 minute, it was really strong move up, came down, consolidated over the VWAP, move back up again, tried to break the previous day close, came down. You look at the support on the pre-market. At that time, I was noticing it and see that can I find some kind of an opportunity here. Again, it moved up, came down and holded the VWAP. The moment it holded the VWAP, and if you do like it's looked like a bull flag, and the moment it broke the previous 1 minute candle is around 80 to 40, I went long. So it was 80 to 40. I went 80 to 40 long, and it was a scalp trade with almost kind of a 20-cent stop loss on this. And the moment it moved back up over a dollar, I took some partial out, and the remaining I put close to this level on 83, and I stopped out. And if I have not been stopped out, then there would be another $2 run. But anyway, I had a fabulous day. And I wanted to showcase you these kind of strategies, which is over the VWAP support and VWAP reversals and the breakdown and the bear flag. If you want to know more about this, feel free feel free to comment and let me know, and I'm going to share you some more videos. Thank you.